Good morning, guys. Mr. Drew, Mark Anthony Drew coming with that morning motivation. And today, I'm telling you to do it for somebody. That's right. Do it for somebody today. That's what's going to motivate you. Take the weight off of you. You know, always trying to find the purpose and what is my reason here? Well, why? Well, the why, find somebody and let that motivate you, because I know there's people out there who've got me to where I'm at now, and I'm going to do it for them. You know, I'm going to do it for my three fathers. Yes, I have three fathers. You know, there's my dad, there's my grandfather, there's my father-in-law, and I'm going to get it done for all of them. You know what I mean? I'm going to get it done. They count on me. There's my grandmother, there's my godmother, there's my daughters, there's my wife, you know? There's my students. There's people out there for you too. Now it's not the weight of the world, meaning they're depending on you. But you can do it for them, if you know what I mean. Because they believe in you, and they have believed in you. There are people out there. I believe in you. Do it for me. Help me change this world. Make it a better place. That's what it's all about, right? Love someone today. That's the movement. That's why you follow the page. Go do it. Help the movement. Now I'm putting it on you. That's right. When we grow the circle, it's not to grow Mark Drew. It's to grow the message. It's to grow us as a people. So now I'm putting it on you. That's my morning motivation to you. You have the ability to change this world, and I'm counting on you to do it. I need your help. Do this for those who've come before us, and do it for those who are going to come after us. Help someone today. You have the ability, from helping someone across the street to your smile. It's worth something. It's magical, I tell you. Do it. There's a neighbor out there who needs assistance. Do it for them. You know, there's somebody. Find them. Go outside. Explore. It's going to be amazing today. Trust me. Just do it. And Nike didn't pay me to say that. I'm rocking Adidas today. Ow! Love someone today. Hey, subscribe to the page if you haven't already. Check it out at Mark Drew Speaks on the Instagram. I gotta get inside, man. It's getting chilly. And I gotta go do it. You know, I gotta go do it for the kids. I gotta go do it for my kids. They're amazing. They're amazing.